second batch of candidates for our Q&A. Tawagin natin Miss Pearl Iloilo Province, Jessica May Gatumay. Wow, you look like resemblance with Atisa Manalo.
So much. I hear it a lot.
Sana tama ako. Tama po ba? Alright, so pili ka ng iyong envelope.
I have chosen Miss Christian Pauline Aliaga.
Hi, Miss Iloilo City, right? Iloilo Province.
Yes. Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm fine.
Alright, I will read your question. Are you ready?
Yes.
That's the spirit. So, your question is, beyond the crown, what legacy would you like to leave for Filipino culture and the community? In Filipino, higit pa sa corona, ano ang nais mong maging ambag sa kulturang Pilipino at sa komunidad?
Thank you. The legacy that I wanted to leave is a generation that treasures heritage and preserve our culture, because I firmly stand that protecting and preserving our culture, heritage, and tradition is very important. Wherever we go, whenever we go, and whoever we encounter, as long as we are proud and we carry the pride of our identity, we will be known as Filipinos. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Pearl Iloilo Province, Jessica May Gatumay. Tawagin naman po natin ang isa sa mga maraming fans tonight, Tarlac Province, Mary Alma de la Cruz. Very Black Beauty. Diyan, pumili ka po ng iyong envelope. At ang napiling hurado,
Rian Fernandez.
Good evening, Miss Tarlac Province.
Good evening.
Here's your question. If you could introduce one Filipino trait to the world, what would it be and why? In Filipino, kung may isa kang kaugaliang Pilipinong ipapakilala sa buong mundo, ano ito at bakit?
Kung meron akong ipapakilala ng isang
Ulitin ko sa Filipino. Kung may isang kaugaliang Pilipino kang ipapakilala sa buong mundo, ano ito at bakit?
Kung meron akong ipapakilala ng isang ugali sa buong mundo, yun ang pagmamahal ng isang Pilipino. Pag tayo ay pumunta sa ibang bansa, tayo ay nakikilala pa rin mga Pilipino. At ang nakakatuwa dito, dahil kahit hindi natin sila kilala, nandun ang pagmamahal, ang pag-iinit ng pagtulong ng ibang tao, kahit hindi natin sila kilala. Dahil kapag tayo ay bumisita sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo basta bumibisita lamang dito dahil sa mga nakikita natin. Pumupunta tayo at nananatili tayo sa Pilipinas dahil sa pagmamahal na pinapakita ng isang Pilipino. At kaya yun ang aking ipapakita, ang ugali at pagmamahal ng bilang isang Pilipino.
maraming salamat. Right on the spot, Tarlac Province, Mary Alma de la Cruz. Tawagin naman po natin ang Philcom UK, Shaina Anna Sullivan. Pumili ka ng iyong envelope. I know that you are excited para sagutin ang katanungan ni Huradong
Rian Fernandez po.
Hi, candidate number 10.
Hello po.
Here's your question. How can we teach the younger generation to embrace diversity and reject discrimination? In Filipino, paano natin maituturo sa kabataan ang paggalang sa pagkakaiba-iba at pag-iwas sa diskriminasyon?
Thank you.
I believe that we should let the children and the younger generations know that the world only turns because everyone is inside it. As a half British and half Filipina young girl in the UK, I always had discrimination against me because I wasn't enough for the UK. But what I told them was that I made sure to let everyone know I'm a proud Filipina, and for the younger generation, whoever you are out there, you are perfect, you are loved, and you are worthy of everything you need. Thank you.
You're worthy of everything that you need, Philcom UK, China, and Sullivan. Tawagin po natin ang General Trias Cavite, Angela Faye Acosta. Napakaganda ng iyong corona.
Thank you so much po.
Pumili ka ng iyong envelope. At ang napiling hurado,
Papa Carlo.
Magandang gabi, General Trias Cavite.
Magandang gabi po.
Here's your question. How would you use your voice to preserve our culture and inspire positive change? In Filipino, paano mo gagamitin ang iyong boses upang mapangalagaan ang ating kultura at makapagbigay ng positibong pagbabago?
Thank you so much. I would use my voice in this platform by education, through educating our youth, because our youth is our hope. And by educating them to our culture, heritage, traditions, and of course, the Filipino identity, we are creating an impact not just in our younger generation, but to our future generations. Because I believe that we do not just bring our past with us, we carry the best of our past into our future. Thank you.
maraming salamat, General Trias Cavite. We bring the best of the past. Ngayon, alam ko maraming palakpak para kay The Soul Pangasinan, Stephanie Ann Almission. Lady in Gold. I love your smile. How are you?
I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm feeling good also. How about you? Okay. All right. You may now choose an envelope.
Aaron Antonio Noche.
Magandang gabi, binibigay ni Dasol Pangasinan.
Magandang gabi po.
Kamusta ka?
Maayos po. Kayo po, kamusta po kayo ngayong gabi?
Kasing ganda mo.
Maraming salamat po.
Napakaganda ng ngiti mo. So, ito na yung aking question. English, how can we promote gender equality while honoring Filipino culture? In Tagalog, paano natin maisusulong ang gender equality habang pinapahalagahan ang ating kulturang Pilipino?
Gender is never the problem to preserve our culture. It is us as Filipinos. It is our duty to protect and preserve it. And as a Filipino, it is my responsibility. And as an LGBTQIA+ member, it is my responsibility to uplift the life in our community and as well as to educate the young Filipino people, to protect, to promote, and to elevate the tourism here in our country. And as your Miss Pearl of the Orient Philippines candidate, I would want to use this platform to say that a nation that honors its identity and heritage is a nation that will never lose its identity. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, The Soul Pangasinan. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, tawagin po natin Tarlac City, Hannah Teresa Dalulu. Napakatangkad. Pili ka ng iyong envelope.
Christian de los Santos.
Good evening, Ms. Tarlac. here's your question. As a cultural ambassador, how would you encourage Filipinos to protect our environment and heritage? In Filipino, bilang cultural ambassador, paano mo hihikayatin ang mga Pilipino na pangalagaan ang ating kalagasan at kultura?
Bilang isang Pilipina at bilang isang cultural ambassador, ang gagawin ko upang mahikayat ang bawat Pilipino na pangalagaan ng ating bansa, ang ating kapaligiran, by educating them. Bilang isang guro, naniniwala ako na ang ating kapaligiran ay hindi lamang natin tinitirhan, hindi lamang natin ito basta lupang tinatapakan, bagkus isa itong tahanan na dapat nating pangalagaan. Sapagkat ang tahanan na ito ay bigay ng may kapal, at ang tahanan nito ay dapat nating bigyan ng pagmamahal, respeto at paggalang, dahil ang tunay na Pilipino ay hindi masusukat sa kung gaano kayaman ang kanyang lupang tinatapakan, pagkus ang Pilipino ay isang taong mapagmahal, marespeto at kayang igalang ang kanyang tahanan. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa napakagandang sagot, Tarlac City, Hannah Krisa Galulu. Once again, ang muli, palakpakan po natin ang napakahusay nating mga kandidata ngayong gabi.